Okay, go ahead and navigate to the Image Gallery tab. This tab is going to allow you to manage all of the images that you have attached to your profile. All of these images can be used across all of your pages, whether you're creating an Image Gallery tab, or you want to add images onto your text pages, or if you want to use a specific image for your services page. So I'll just go ahead and drag in an image right here. You'll see that it will automatically compress it for you. Once that's done, you can scroll down and you can see that the image has been uploaded here. I can go ahead and drag to move this to the top. You can rearrange your images in any way. This doesn't affect how it looks on the gallery. This just allows you to manage things better. Now, you can go ahead and delete an image at any time. So I can delete this one, click delete, and this will automatically delete the image from your storage. Now, you'll notice that I have a total of 16 out of 50 images because I am on the Ultimate plan, and I have used 22 megabytes out of my total 250 megabytes total for my account. Now, depending on what subscription plan you have, that will give you access to more images. The reason we do this here at mycliq is because we believe that paying users should have higher storage limits and the ability to upload more data to the cloud. And because we store this securely, data costs can get expensive. That's why we don't allow free users to upload images. All right, so just know that once you've uploaded an image, all of your images will stay here in the Image Gallery tab. You don't have to re-upload them. They will forever be here and stored directly to your account. When you go and edit an existing page, you will notice that if I go somewhere where I have images added, for example, let's find the photo gallery here. When I go to manage an image, you'll see that this new image that I added is now available to be added to my page, and I can add that image. And now when I view my gallery here, you'll notice that the image is here. Great. That is pretty much it for the Image Gallery tab.